Bienvenido al mundo del aprendizaje de idiomas. Si eres alguien que está interesado en mejorar tus habilidades lingüísticas y quiere aprovechar al máximo la tecnología, entonces has venido al lugar correcto. Estoy encantado de presentarles un sitio web dedicado a facilitar a los estudiantes de idiomas estrategias y técnicas que les permitan usar la tecnología, más específicamente haciendo uso de la inteligencia artificial para mejorar sus áreas de dominio del idioma. Mi sitio web está diseñado para ayudar a los estudiantes de idiomas de todos los niveles, ya sea que sea un principiante o un estudiante avanzado. El objetivo es proporcionarle una plataforma fácil de usar que sea fácil de navegar e informativa. Este sitio web está repleto de una variedad de estrategias y técnicas que pueden ayudarlo a aprender un idioma de manera más rápida y efectiva. El aspecto más valioso de este sitio es que le permite adquirir la capacidad de convertirse en un estudiante de idiomas de por vida. Este sitio web está diseñado para ayudarlo con todo, desde la pronunciación hasta la práctica de la conversación. Disfruta de tu viaje de aprendizaje de idiomas y aprovecha al máximo los últimos avances tecnológicos. Entonces, ya sea que esté aprendiendo un nuevo idioma para trabajar, viajar o simplemente por diversión, Técnicas tiene todo lo que necesita para llevar sus habilidades lingüísticas al siguiente nivel. Explore cómo mi enfoque basado en la tecnología puede mejorar sus áreas de dominio del idioma. Gracias por elegir Técnicas y le deseamos todo lo mejor en su viaje de aprendizaje de idiomas.
English as a second language, or I've been working in the field of English as a second language for 50 years. I started in 1973. That's 50 years of experience in the United States, in Colombia, South America, in Saudi Arabia, in the United Arab Emirates, in the Middle East. In all of my experience, I think I could wrap it all up and say, wow, AI today is leaps ahead of anything I've seen in all these years. I've seen a lot. I've gone through a lot of in-services. I have a master's. It's been an experience, and what I wanted to do is express to you, language learners, that the type of programs, AI, artificial intelligence, that they're putting out now, this chat GPT and chat AI and so many other things that are coming out, that if you learn how to use some of these little gadgets, some of these little tools, you will always have a speaking partner. You will always have someone listening to, or something listening to your pronunciation and helping you out. When you arrive at Chat OpenAI, you'll see this box up here. Normally, because I've used it a little earlier, normally it would say start. When you press start, everything that you say is going to be listened to by Chat GPT. Okay, I put the microphone on, so now Chat cannot hear me. Okay, it won't start answering questions when I'm not really asking them. Okay, the speakers, let's say you don't want to listen to it, you just want to read answers. Okay, so let's go here. Chat, please give me 3 examples of past continuous or past progressive sentences. And then I'll click here.
Certainly. Here are 3 examples of sentences using the past continuous or past progressive tense. I was studying for my exam when the power went out. They were
Okay, so I clicked there a few times to stop her from talking, mainly because I want to hurry this video up, right? Okay, but you'll see, and it reacts very quickly. Okay, so let's go back and Chat, please make information questions. 3 information questions for each of the 3 past progressive or past continuous sentences above?
Certainly. Here are 3 information questions for each of the 3 past progressive sentences provided earlier. Sentence. I was studying for my exam when the power went out. Information questions.
Okay. Again, this program is free. It's also very new, so you have to have patience. But as you could see, it can do a lot of work for you. Please write a very short story for my 3-year-old who's getting ready to go to bed. Make it about a teddy bear.
Once upon a time, there was a little teddy bear named Benny. Benny was the favorite teddy bear of a sweet little girl named Lily.
The beauty of these programs, Chat GPT and Chat AI and all these other things that are coming out, the beauty is you now can have an English partner all the time, anytime, before work, after work, during your little lunch break. You can have a conversation, you can ask questions, the program will answer you. If you're curious about if you're pronouncing something correctly or not, you can ask the program to listen to you and to suggest corrections for your pronunciation. Some people are very, very, very focused and concerned about grammar. You can tell the program to correct your grammar. You can tell the program or ask the program to give you examples. Give me 5 examples of I love to play football in the past or in the present perfect. Give me 5 examples of present perfect sentences. Make information questions for this sentence. I'm going to work. The program will provide you with information questions. Let me give you a little assignment. After you download ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT to give you 100 examples of Spanish, English cognates. COGNATES. And you will find, wow, I know a lot more English than I thought. Okay, tune in. There'll be follow-up videos on chat and other AI programs.